Hello, future scientists! For this week's lesson, we'll still continue to talk about Unit 2 ourselves, the sense of touch. Our learning objectives are to explain about the sense of touch, that is our skin, and to learn the parts of the hand. Our body is very clever. It is always working hard to help us learn about the things around us. With our five senses, the sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of sight, sense of hearing, and sense of touch, we can explore and learn more about our world. We already learned about the sense of sight. We use our eyes to see things. We can see things that are near to us and that are far away from us. And some people wear glasses, to help them see things more clearly. What things have you seen today? Can you see your friend smiling at you right now? On your workbook, page 24, spot the difference. But first, let's do number 1. Sight is one of the 5 senses. You will write down the names of the other 4 senses in these numbers. Okay, for number 2, using your eyes, the sense of sight, how carefully do you look at things? Okay, look at picture number 1 and picture 2. You will spot the differences. There are 6 for you to find. Draw a circle around the differences you can see in picture 2. In this activity, we aim every learners in making observations using the sense of sight and touch. In your learner's book, page 40, looking closely. Sometimes our eyes need help to see things more clearly, that are far away, that are very small. Look at these pictures. What does each object help the eyes to do? The boy is using binoculars. Okay, with the binoculars, it gives you an upright view that is correctly oriented from left to right, because they allow use of both eyes in a natural way. We use this mostly in sports events, when we are watching the football game, and even when we are hiking or wildlife viewing, and even stargazing. Now, this is a microscope. It is an instrument that is used to magnify small objects. It can be even used to observe an object at the cellular level. Okay, allowing scientists to see the shape of a cell, its nucleus, and other organelles, which you will learn when you go to a higher level. These girls are using the hand lens. With the hand lens or the magnifying glass, it is used to produce a magnified image of an object. So you can also see the object and the details clearly using this object. Now, this is spectacles, or most common known as the eyeglasses or eyewear, which most of you use to correct or improve many types of vision problems. They are a frame that holds 2 pieces of glass or plastic, which have been ground into lenses to correct refractive errors. Have you seen a telescope before? This is an instrument we use to see objects that are far away. So we often use this to view the planets and the stars and the comets and all the things up in the sky. In this activity, we're making observations using the sense of sight and the sense of touch. Now look closely. Use your sense of sight. What is missing from the second picture? That is in the first picture. Then you will draw what is missing. Show it to your partner. And then, can your partner see anything that you have missed? Then ask, what is it? You have learned about the sense of sight. Now, you are going to learn about the sense of touch. We can feel things by using our hands and other parts of our body. Now, let's learn about the parts of the hand. Remember, each hand has 5 fingers. So this is your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger, ring finger, or the little finger, or we call it the pinky. And each hand has a fingernail. That's it. You can color it. Now, this part is the wrist, and this is your knuckles. In front is your palm, and this is your fist. What have you learned from our lesson today? Thanks for listening.